So, Jeff Bezos made 13 fucking billion in a day. Damn, that's a lot of money. I wonder what he's gonna do with that. But anyway, a brief history today. Um, on Alone with My Thoughts, I'm gonna tell you guys a brief history about Amazon, and trust me, it's really amazing. Amazon was founded on 5th July 1994. Around that time, nobody gave a fuck about the internet because nobody really trusted the internet. Not to talk of purchasing things from the internet. So it was really a weird moment. Around that time he was struggling because when he called for investors, he told investors the risk in investing into his stuff. You understand what I'm trying to say? I mean, who would warn investors about the dangers involved about what they're getting into? But he did that anyway. And in 2000 he actually went to banks and borrowed $2 billion, which was supposed to give him a kickstart or let him scale his business way higher and let him become a big shot or something like that. And the same year 2000 was he actually bought this space company. I've really forgotten what the space is. Blue something. I forgot the name of it. Any information I'm giving you right now is just some public information that you can get on Wikipedia. I actually read on Wikipedia. I'm sharing with you. This is my thoughts right now, and I'm actually sharing it with you because I know that it took him a lot of time. He even went bankrupt. Let me just continue my story. So in 2002, after he borrowed the 2 billion in 2002, he went bankrupt, and after that money, you understand, if it were you and I, maybe we would give up or something like that. And he came back after in a year later or so. He was almost, sorry, let me just correct myself. He almost went into bankruptcy, by the way. So he recovered very quickly in a year later or so, and now look at him right now making billions, and he was able to make $30 billion in the day. Man, this money, the money that he made in a day could clear the debt of my country. You know what I'm trying to say? That money could pay the debt that my country owes every person in the world. That this is fucked up. But by the way, you know he got to where he is today because he loved the process and he enjoyed every bit of it, and he took his time with everything. It was patient. A lot of times whenever we the upcoming entrepreneurs coming up, whenever we get little success, we tend to just want to scale up or something like that. But look at him. He took his time before actually. At first, it wasn't Amazon. It was called Cadabra, which they sold only books around that time. They sold only books, by the way, only books. So it was 1998 that he decided to make sale for music and videos, and also some consumer goods. You understand? He took his time. It took him 3 years. You understand? At the time that he started, there were competitors and all those stuff. So if you're about to start a business and you just using the competitors that you is in your league as an excuse not to start, man, you shouldn't use that as an excuse, because Jeff Bezos took his time, had patience, loved the process, went in, put in the work, and now look at him right now. Enjoying his billions. Man, this is some shit, man. This is lit. Anyway, this is all for Alone with My Thoughts. Don't forget to follow me on all social media platforms at The Mano World, and subscribe to my YouTube channel at The Mano World. Thank you.